How to lose body weight? If you weigh more than what is appropriate for your height, do not assume that your bones are heavy because bones weigh very little. Get yourself checked by a doctor to know cause of obesity, which may be related to blood sugar or cholesterol or thyroid gland. If you are stressed for a long time, you gain weight, so be happy. If you want to lose weight, take care of your diet, drink plenty of water, do exercise, and get enough sleep. Diet. If you want to lose weight, you need to increase your basal metabolic rate. For this, you need to increase the amount of muscle in your body. Spices and caffeinated beverages also increase metabolism little by little on a regular basis. If you eat small amounts on a regular basis, your metabolism will be good. The human body converts excess food into body fat, so do not eat more than what you need. Even if you do not do any work, you need to eat for health. Staying hungry can cause dizziness and headache. To reduce your body weight, you need to reduce carbohydrates and fats in your diet. You should not compromise on other nutrients like proteins, vitamins, minerals, and roughage. If you want to avoid obesity, avoid these things: sweets, butter, fried foods, and soft drinks. If you want to reduce body weight, be moderate in eating these things: ghee, oil, and dry fruits. To eat low fat food, eat low fat cheese, eat tofu instead of paneer, drink skimmed milk instead of full cream milk. Even then, make ghee at home from the cream that comes out of milk. Eat peanut butter instead of milk butter. If you eat more carbohydrates than required, they get stored in the body as fat. So instead of eating carrot halwa, eat carrots. Instead of drinking fruit juice with sugar, eat fruits. Tomato ketchup also contains sugar. Honey has less calories than sugar, so whenever you need sweetness, eat honey instead of sugar. Instead of eating white bread, eat brown bread. If you want to avoid obesity, you can still eat more of these things: fruits, vegetables, spices, cereals, and low fat yogurt. But you will also have to improve your cooking methods. Instead of eating chips made in the oven, eat boiled potatoes like chole and potato tikka. Instead of frying food, cook in the air fryer eatables like samosas, kachoris, and french fries. If you make a veg burger, you can add cucumber, sprouts, and carrots to its patty and put it in between brown buns instead of white buns. You can make and eat different types of salads for taste, in which you can also add cucumber, radish, sprouts, carrots, tomatoes, and lemon juice. When you feel like eating something in between meals, add spice powders to fox nuts or popcorn and eat them. Consuming cold food and cold drinks makes the body burn calories to bring them to normal temperature, so give preference to cold foods and beverages such as cold coffee instead of hot coffee. To reduce the intake of oil and ghee in the body, if you eat fried food, soak its oil with tissue paper, as in pakoras. If you ever eat outside, eat in restaurants that have printed in the menu booklet how many calories are in each food item, so that you know which food preparation to order. If you want to avoid obesity, become a vegetarian. This will also reduce the chances of heart disease, cancer, and hypertension. Physical exercise. Do not exercise immediately after eating a heavy meal. Eat something 2 hours before exercising because exercising on an empty stomach can make you feel weak and dizzy, and you may even faint. If you want to avoid obesity, climb stairs instead of using the lift and the escalator. Wherever you have to go, walk or cycle. Swim in a swimming pool. If you are interested in playing sports, play in the field like basketball, soccer, golf. Run on the terrace of your residence. If you are interested in dancing, dance. Exercise in a gymnasium that has air conditioning and drinking water is available. If you do not want to go to the gym, purchase exercise equipment online and exercise at home. Find out from websites which yoga asanas can reduce the weight of which part of the body. Then do yoga. Doing yoga improves digestion. Do Zumba by following videos on websites. If you are chubby, do toning exercises which flatten the working area of the muscles. Increase the exercise gradually. If you stop exercising, your muscles will decrease and your strength will also decrease. Listen to music while exercising. This will keep you from getting bored. Listening to music releases mood enhancing hormones in the body. Music helps in avoiding the pain of exercise and stress on the heart. If you want people support in reducing obesity, then become a member of a slimming club. Apart from this, you can also go to yoga classes, dance classes, and swimming classes. Exercise wearing comfortable clothes and shoes. If you want expert guidance to reduce obesity or you have any disease, then you can take advice from a dietitian and a physical trainer. The physical trainer will tell you which exercises you should do with the help of a chair in the free time you get at your workplace. When you consult a dietitian, you will have to tell what work you do. This will help him know how much you need to eat. Then he will tell you, according to the food items available in each season, what food items you should keep at home and what you should eat when. Dietitians and physical trainers provide their services in fitness clubs. Smartwatches can help reduce body weight. Wearing a smartwatch can track your activities such as counting your steps when you walk. Smartwatches can track workouts. Smartwatches also track the number of calories you burn during exercise. Smartwatches also monitor heart rate. Obesity can cause following diseases: respiratory diseases, heart diseases, diabetes mellitus, hormonal disruptions, high blood pressure, poor blood lipid profile, gallbladder disease, cancer, low back pain, arthritis, and gout. Like and share my video and subscribe to my channel.